guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how we can check if one of our videos might have a copyright claim. If you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button, ring the bell so that you will be notified for our next uploads. Don't forget to like and share the video. And if you want to comment, please write it down below. Now guys, let's proceed to our step-by-step tutorial on how we can check if we have copyright claim on our videos. Check it out on the next slides coming up. Now if we have to clean up those copyright claims, following up are the actions that we have to take. As you scroll to the right, you will see Take Actions. Then you will find 3 choices of action that we must have to take. There is this trim a portion of the video, replace a song, or mute the song. Now it's up to you guys which of those actions you are going to do. Then follow on the instructions. And that's all guys. Hope this video gives you some bright ideas, and thank you for watching. Shout out to all of my subscribers. Hope to see you on my next video. Please don't forget to like, share this video, and for those who haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Hit the bell for notifications. If you wish to comment, please write it down below. And bye for now. God bless everyone, and thank you again. Stay safe. Bye.